Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, because on Wednesday, March the 30th, we have no extra puzzles. It's the yesterday's newspaper of Tuesday, March the 29th, 2022. We have here 4 puzzles left: the 1 star Sudoku, the 2 star Sudoku, tectonic with 1 star, and the binary puzzle. 4 puzzles. First one I will solve will be a number 433 4. 4334. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 1 star puzzle Sudoku has always 27 printed digits. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, correct. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. It should be there. Then. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in the last column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this big square. So no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. All right. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Okay. Then I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 5. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first row? 4 the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3. Again, the 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Okay. Well, we have here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in this middle row, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 4 in this column, so no 4 in that box, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. Here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 3, 5. Let me see. 2. Okay. Then. Okay. 1, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the second row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means we have a double 4 here in this row. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this third row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Okay. 1, 7, 2. Then. Let me see if I 5. Come on. It's taking too long. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about a 5? 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. Is a 5. We have a 4 there. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in the third column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see the 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the third column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 1 box left in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row. Middle row. 2 and a 9. 2 and the 9. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. The 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you, faster than 50 minutes I need to solve this puzzle for a 1 star. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Yeah. Before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. I collected those numbers for 7 weeks. 924 we have here. 924. 186, 186, and 258. 258. Here we have the 8 as a pair and the 2 as a pair. 2 pairs. All right. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.